In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Eightcap. Now, there's actually two ways you can trade using an Eightcap account, and I'm going to show you both. So if you go up here inside your dashboard and click on Tools, and you go to Platforms, you'll be able to see MetaTrader 5. Now, you can use this either on your computer, so you can download it, as I did right here, as you can see, or you could also use it inside your browser or on your mobile devices, okay? So this is completely up to you. I'm going to show you how to actually trade on your laptop. Okay, so here you can just open up the MT5 program, and then you can click on the file top left, and you want to click on open an account. Here look for Eightcap. There we go. And then it's going to basically show you Eightcap here in the list. Just click on the one that's relevant for you. For me, it's the Eightcap EU. And then you want to click on the next button here. Click on connect to an existing trade account. And then here, this is where you basically have to select with which account you are actually connecting. Okay. So of course, if you're using a live account, just type in your login and then your password for that live account. And then also select the correct server and you are good to go. If you don't know how to get your login and password, whenever you actually create your account, either live or demo inside Eightcap, you'll then receive your essentially your password and your username onto your email. Okay, so that's how you do it when you are using MT5. However, if you want to trade on the web using TradingView, you can do that as well. You can just go to tradingview.com and create an account or sign in if you have an account already. Hover over products, click on supercharts, and then in here at the bottom left, there we go, there's going to be a trading panel. Click on that. And then in here, you want to find Eightcap. So for me, it's up top. If it's not for you as well, click on Show All Brokers and find it. And then click on it, select your username here and just type it in, type in your password, and then click on Connect. And you'll be successfully connected and able to start trading here directly on TradingView. So that's how to trade using Eightcap. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.